In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a backup of your WordPress website on Siteground. This is an important step to ensure your site is safe from potential data loss due to unforeseen circumstances. Let's walk through the process together. First, you need to visit the Siteground website. This is your starting point. Once you're on the website, you'll want to locate the login area to access your account. Click on Login, which is usually found at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your credentials to access your Siteground account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up first before proceeding, but that's a topic for another video. After logging in, you will be directed to your Siteground dashboard. Here, navigate to the My Siteground account section. This is where all your site management tools are located, and it's crucial for accessing the features we need. Once you're in your account section, look for the Websites tab, click on it and you'll be presented with a list of all the websites you're currently hosting through Siteground. Find the specific site you want to work on and click on the Site Tools option next to it. The Site Tools section is where you'll manage various aspects of your site, including creating backups. Now that you're in Site Tools, the next step is to access the Security section. This is where Siteground provides various options related to safeguarding your site, including backups. Click on Security and you'll see a list of security features available. Within the Security section, you'll find an option called Backups. Clicking here will take you to the Backup Management area. This is the heart of today's task, as it allows you to create, manage, and restore backups as needed. In the Backups area, you'll see a button labeled Create. Click this button to initiate the backup process. Siteground will prompt you for a name for your backup. It's a good idea to include the date in the name so you can easily identify it later. Once you've named your backup, click on the final Create button to start the process. Siteground will handle the rest for you. And there you have it, a successfully created backup of your WordPress website on Siteground. You'll find this backup handy in situations where you need to restore your site to its previous state, like after a problematic update or an accidental deletion. Remember, keeping regular backups is an essential part of website management. Thanks for watching this tutorial and I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more practical guides just like this one.